So in this video, we'll give you a tutorial of the point survey screen. To get there, we'll go to the survey tab and then point survey. In this screen, you can do the majority of work you need to do. At the bottom left, the foot icon, if you click it, you'll see the X and it'll let you navigate your design. Click it again and it'll snap back to your current rover position. Above that is the map view. Click that and you'll get street view. Click it again, you'll get satellite view. And click it again, you'll go back to the plain background. The paint bucket icon, change your background from white to black. Depending on your line work colors, it'll be easier to see. Above here, we can select points to stake. So we'd highlight that yellow, click the point, and then select stake point. And it will then stake you to that point. To get back out of your stakeout screen, we'll hit the back arrow. Above that is line stakeout. It'll allow you to stake out lines by highlighting it yellow and selecting the line you wish to stake. We would then hit stake out the whole entity, select our line, hit OK. Here you can set an offset distance, insert chainage, and other stakeout settings. For this, we'll just stake the line itself. Right now it's referenced to line, but you can change that depending on your preference. You'll see the zeros here, meaning we're within the line. This will tell you left or right of the line as you change your position. That number will get smaller as you get closer to the line. Here, where you see the zeros, is your cut or fill to line. At the bottom left is your total line length. In the middle bottom is how far along the line you are. And the bottom right is your slope to line. To get back out of this, we'll hit the back arrow. Above line stakeout is our layer library, so you'll see your different layers. The tag with the 100 icon will take away or put point numbers in. Here is where you can do temporary measurements. And the top is your CAD tools, whether that's adding a point, creating lines, or doing any sort of light CAD work to your design. At the bottom is our point type. You select point. When you shoot a point, it'll just be a point. Changing that to polyline, when you shoot a point, it'll create a line. To end that line, we'll click the check mark button. This button here controls what type of point you're shooting. For example, quick point is just a 1-second shot. A topo point, you can change how many shots you want when you select the take shot button or the record button. Or control point, you can set a workflow for setting new control on your site. Here is your code library. When you press any of these buttons, it'll record a shot and code it with whatever you're shooting. So this is great for as-builts. Here, you'll go into some of your Kogo functions. At the bottom right you can change your pole height. Here you can enter a code if it's not within your points or point code list. And at the bottom left is your point name.